God damn, man. It's 6:30 in the morning, 7 o'clock. Goddamn moon out. Come on now. Goddamn. Come on. Lincoln Navigator. John snatched the alternator out of this motherfucker. What you say, John? Oh, you in that brace.
You got to pass a lot.
Oh man, good morning vlog. I'm trying to start the vlog, John. Fucking with me. I'm about to get some breakfast. We're going to the strap yard. A little bit of this, a little bit of that this morning. Yeah, man, me and the boy John out early this morning about to hit the strap yard. We done pulled the alternator off the Navigator. I was sad I opened the door, the step rail didn't come out, but we'll get it together soon. No city view, no skyline. It's early morning, we back at it. Me and old Johnny boy. Sit me little old Jay. Got this pick and pull. Hey, Johnny, they got a block over there. See if we can get a whole alternator for that. Damn starters and alternators. You know where the road at and everything already? Fucking junk, yeah. Damn, these seats clean in this Navigator. I don't know whose shit this was. This was a nice setup. Carpet still nice. What year this is, John?
2008.
What year you got? Yeah, man, I don't know what's wrong with these bitches, man. My old bitch just texted me. Talking about she missed me, she can't get me off her head and that. Bitch, what you thought? Hey, you bitch, you don't leave me, bitch, it's a wrap. You done. Try to hit me up. Johnny, what you think? We gonna snatch this alternator up out of this bitch. Throw it in the goddamn. That motherfucker look a little digital. Yeah, look a little digital, there, boy. I ain't lying. I'm gonna take one of these motors out of this van, one of these big 6.0s. God damn it. Bitch got everything up out of there, bro. Good tire back there. Step, bro. I don't like them kind though. Step rail, it's a Silverado. Like mine, but I don't like that kind of step rail. What, in that toolbox? Hell yeah, I should look in that toolbox. Ooh, I know what I'm about to get. I'm about to get that steering wheel cover. What's that, John?
Shit slipped around back.
What the fuck? Did it run like that? How is it even mounted in there, bud? We're gonna pull something off something, motherfucker. Trying to say he found one. Fucking Navigator, it ain't clean as old Johnny's, but it'll do.